Hello, my name is Aurélien Sagnier. Welcome to this video abstract of my article, An Arithmetic Site at the Complex Place. So in 1998, Alain Kohn, in order to study the zeros of EQL functions, introduced the Adel class space. And in 2010, with Caterina Consani, they showed that one could give an Asservale interpretation of the completed Riemann zeta function thanks to analysis on this Adel class space. And in 2014, they introduced a semi-ring topos that they call the arithmetic site, so this one, which is an algebraico-geometrical background for this Adel class space. And the precise statement is this, is that the points of this arithmetic site on Rmax Plus are this special part of the Adel class space. But in their construction, they rely heavily on this natural order present on the real numbers, which is compatible with the addition and the multiplication. But one might wonder what happens for other rings of integers, and in particular for Gaussian integers, because such an order will no longer exist. And that's the problem I addressed in my article. So the result of my article are slightly more general, but I will present it only in the case of the Gaussian integers. So first, I introduced this category, Zi dot, which is the category with only one object and the arrows indexed by the Gaussian integers, with the composition of arrows being the multiplication of Gaussian integers. Then I considered, as Kohn and Consani in their case, the preshift topos, and then I showed that the points of this preshift topos is the category of sub-Zi module of Qi, and I get an adelic interpretation of the points of this topos. But the main difficulty was to adapt what Kohn and Consani did in their case to get the quotient, a double quotient of the full Adels. And so they did that by introducing a structure sheaf, and in their case it was Zmax. So here in this case, what could be Zmax? Well, first let me introduce dqi, which is the square with vertices 1, I minus 1 minus I, and then I introduced Zi conv, which is the set of so first the empty set and the singleton zeron, and of all polygons with center 0 invariant by a rotation of order 4 whose vertices are in Zi. And on that I put two laws, convex hull of the reunion and the Minkowski sum. In fact, one can see that Zi conv is generated as a semi-module just by the rotated squares. And here I do what the laws are for the squares. In fact, the law that the Minkowski sum, so the multiplication of the semi-ring, is in fact given by the addition of two other squares, is very important. It will follow, which is that in fact Zi conv is not is something very natural to consider. It is in fact the solution of a universal problem. So first, if you consider Zi over its units, as Quasner did in general, you can define an hyperaddition, and then you can show that Zi conv is the solution of this universal problem, meaning that if you have a map phi from Zi over its units to an idempotent semi-ring such that this map respects those two conditions, that it is compatible with the Frobenius structure, and that it has this relation between the multiplication and the addition with respect to the hypersum. So it is what happens here already in Zi conv. Then you get this commutative diagram, and then so here it is for Zi conv. And if you want the analog of Rmax Plus, you can introduce CQi conv, which is the semi-module generated by the rotated squares, but here you allow the vertices of the square to be any number in C. And then I computed the automorphisms of CQI conv, which is that. And I just recall that in Kohn and Konseny's case, the automorphisms of R max plus was R star plus. So here you see we have two parameters, and it will play a role in the difference between the spectral interpretation I get, in the difference between the two spectral interpretations, the one of Kohn and Konseny and mine. So first, my definition of an arithmetic site for the Gaussian integers is that, so it's Zi hat and Zi conv, and then I mimicked what Kohn and Konseny did. I computed the points of Zi of this arithmetic site for the Gaussian integers in CQI conv. I get this double quotient of the full Adels of Qi, and for the spectral interpretation, something new appeared because we have somehow two parameters here, the norm and the argument, that I get that the points of this arithmetic site is related to the zeros of the Dedekind zeta function, but also to the zeros of a given family of L functions, so parameterized by those characters. And it is a feature that was unexpected, that the points of this arithmetic site for the Gaussian integers would be related to a family of L functions. Thank you.